July 13th, Golden State Ave videos. We're above San Francisco Airport. It's 3:19 p.m. And I'm just getting runway configurations, temperature, and I'll have ATC on shortly. Okay, so they're landing on runway 28, which would be to the north. I'm sorry, runway 28 is to the west, 11 is to the east. So the runways in San Francisco are 10 and 28. And then the other runways are the north-south, 1 and 19. 1 and 19. So we're looking now at the 119 configuration, and the planes are landing to the north. You can see two at once coming in now, and I am sorry about the wire, but from this position this is the best I can do. Okay, currently it's 65 degrees at the airport. And you can see it's very nice and sunny. A little bit of haze. I'll try to get ATC on. Here comes a United. This is going to be a fairly short video. I have a long drive ahead of me, but I just wanted to capture this. I saw this vantage point coming into the Burlingame area, and I just thought I would shoot a short video for you. It's Golden State Ave Videos. That's Golden State and then the initials A Alpha V Victor Videos with an S on the end of it. If you like what we're doing, give us a like. If you care to subscribe, would appreciate it. We're at the time of the day where we get a steady stream of arrivals, and the heavy jets land on this runway and take off. Right now I'm at the limit of my zoom, so that's as close as I can get. Right now it's 65 here in the Central Valley. It's triple digits, 100 degrees or more.
We have to come back to verify that thing out there, just so we're good to push. We just called maintenance out there, so they're checking out that nose right there, so we should be pushing off any minute now.
I'm getting too much distortion on the ATC, so we'll just have to scrap it for now. I'll do my best to describe what I'm seeing here. I am aware that this is going to be a short video and people like the longer videos, but I just thought I would add something to this week's output. I have several other videos, one of which was shot yesterday of a UPS A300 departure from Fresno, and I've got a short clip of the smoke bombers at the air attack base in Fresno, and then I've got footage of Coast Guard turboprop touch and goes at Fresno. So I've got quite a good variety, but I do realize that there are many channels that go for 7-8 hours, and I will try to do that at some point, but right now it's impossible with my schedule. So I am doing my best to bring you the best video I can. And if you like our channel, it's Golden State Ave Videos. And if you want to send us an email, it's goldenstateavevideos@gmail.com. just get a few more arrivals and departures, and then I'm going to have to pack it up for today. So I've got at least 3 videos from Fresno, one of which is already up on the channel, and a short on the air attack base and the aircraft there. And then I'll have this SFO video up in the next day or 2. So that's 5 items in 1 week. I wish we had ATC now, because there's a little bit of a lull. We're at the time of day now where every 30 seconds to a minute there's usually an arrival, but just we're in a little lull right now, and the wind is picking up. You might hear the wind noise. Okay, here comes, it looks like a regional jet just coming into view. It's kind of unusual because usually the heavies are what use this runway. And as you can see, it sticks right out into the bay. Quite unusual. I can think of the runways at Logan Airport in Boston that are like that. Just waiting for one more arrival or departure. Here comes the arrival. Also looks like a regional jet. Actually, it looks bigger than that, but anyway, that'll be it for today. I just wanted to get this one in since I was in the area and I have the opportunity. And thanks for watching, and give us a like. Golden State Ave Videos. And if you want to send us an email, it's goldenstateavevideos@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.